What's up guys, welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we're going to be showcasing a bunch of Toyota and Lexus SUVs for your viewing pleasure. We're going to start off with this 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. We're doing a King 2.5 remote reservoir coilover and shock setup with compression adjusters on here, with some Elevate billet uniball upper control arms and Durabump bump stops all around. The rear's also getting lifted with some Old Man Emu lift springs. And to put the KDSS system back into its natural sitting position after the lift, we're also installing some KDSS spacers from Treaty Oak. These are all parts that we have in stock and ready to rock at all times. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with the RRW RR7V matte black face with a simulated glass black beadlock ring, with 285/70/17 VF Goodrich KM3 mud terrain tires. You guys asked for the discount, we're gonna throw it out. All Method and RRW wheels get $100 off of our website with free shipping. Just use promo code YouTube at checkout to get that deal. And that also includes the very popular Method MR703 bead grip wheels that you see right here. This Lexus GX just received our 6112 and 5160 setup with Elevate upper control arms and OME rear springs. Next Toyota SUV coming right up is the 6th generation Toyota 4Runner SR5. This one right here is going with a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. We always have these in stock as well. With the lift and clearance achieved with this, we're installing a set of 285/75/17 Toyo Open Country RT Pros on a RRW RR7V 17x8.5 0 offset with the gloss black face and the simulated beadlock ring in machined. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. If you're not local to us and still want to take advantage of our good deals, we own 2 warehouses on the block fully stocked with all the good off-road and overlanding accessories that you desire. Help you take out the guesswork on what parts that you need to order for a perfect suspension lift. We have pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and often pre-adjusted lift kits ready to go and ready to be installed by you at your house or your preferred local installer. Here's an LC250 with a King suspension setup with CAMBURG kinetic billet uniball upper control arms. And here's a 2024 4Runner TRD Pro in Terra. This one just received a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup for front and rear with some RRW wheels. Next up we have this Lexus GX550 that is in for a 6112 setup from BILSTEIN. We're doing the 6112s up front with Elevate chromoly ball joint upper control arms, Old Man Emu rear lift springs, and the BILSTEIN 5160 shocks. Owner of this vehicle wanted some more poke, so let's give it to him. We're gonna do a body mount chop on here so we can fit some 17x8.5 -12 RRW RR7V wheels in machined with some 285/70/17 tires. Our body mount chops consist of cutting off the excess metal at the body mount, blocking it off with a plate that we weld on, and forming the edges to make it look as OEM as possible. Of course, it's finished off with a satin black finish when completed so it matches the rest of the underbody of the vehicle. And for the rubber on this one, we're going with the very popular Toyo Open Country RT Pros. And on the other rack, we have another GX460. This one's actually going with a King suspension setup, with the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with compression adjusters, CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms, and Old Man Emu rear lift springs. We're also doing a body mount chop on this one so we can run some better caster settings. GX460 is sitting on some Graham Lights 57 DRX wheels and a 17x8.5 with the 0 offset in bronze. Tire of choice here are the Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws in a 285/70/17 size. And here's the GX460 on the BILSTEIN setup, with Elevate upper control arms and OME rear lift springs. RR7V machine wheels are on here with that -12 spec, all installed, aligned, and going out for a test drive now. here's the Land Cruiser 250, ready and completed as well. King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks with compression adjusters installed on this one, with the King Blue CAMBURG Kinetic Series billet uniball upper control arms and the EIBACH rear lift spring. We installed a set of RRW RR7H in gloss black on this one with some 285/75/17 tires. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Next up, we have this 5th generation Toyota 4Runner that's in for a Westcott Designs Low Pro roof rack with light bar. We've installed a Baja Designs S8 light bar in amber for the customer. Here's a C4 Low Pro winch bumper that we installed previously for the customer as well. We stock the Westcott Designs Low Pro roof rack and the winch bumpers from C4 at all times, so if you want something like this for your 4Runner, give us a call anytime. Next up, we have a new Lexus GX550 that's in for a King setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks on this one with compression adjusters, Icon, billet Delta Joint Pro upper control arms, and stock rear springs for now. The owner of this vehicle wanted to just level the front end to the stock rear end and fit 285/70/17s on here. We usually do at least a 285/75/17, but this customer chose his own destiny. A few days later though, he did call and ask us to install rear springs and crank up the front to fit some 34s, in which we did. I guess he realized the tires looked so small the way he wanted it prior. Unfortunately, he did come back on a day that I wasn't in, so here it is with the 285/70/17s rolling out the first time he came. Next up, we have a brand new 2026 Toyota 4Runner. This one is in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup with some fuel shock wheels and some 35 12.5/17 Toyo Open Country MT tires. Of course, some minor trimming had to be done to clear the 35-inch tires. We did that for the customer as well, and it's ready to go now. And last but not least, we have this 5th generation Toyota 4Runner Tier D Off-Road that's in for an Old Man Emu Nitro Charger Plus setup. For a limited time only, we're doing free shipping on all Old Man Emu lift kits. Check it out at 88ROTORSoffroad.com. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with the Black Rhino soles in bronze. We wrapped it up in a 285/70/17 Falcon Wadpeak AT4W. Thank you very much for tuning in today, guys. It means a lot to us with your continued support. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell so you won't miss another cool video from 88 Rotors. Until next time, take care, guys.